Okay, moving on through the organizing and creating bar charts and everything, we're going to talk about how we can summarize our data now that we have uh, it organized in a couple different ways. We looked at creating a bar graph from our data from our survey yesterday. For the purpose of today, we're going to list the total amount of data values along with the most popular and least popular for our summary analysis of our data. We can use our bar graph also to represent the frequency table and analyze patterns or trends or differences among the categories. So here, summarizing this data, I conducted a survey asking what is our favorite color. Out of 33 individuals that responded, about 27% what was the most popular, which was blue, and yellow and white, 3% tied for the least popular. So this would be a way that you can kind of summarize and analyze this. Notice how I wrote in complete sentences and just kind of summarizing and analyzing, like, what did my data tell me? Interpretation is the process of making sense of what we analyze, providing context in the meaning. So if I go back and I look at, okay, 27% was blue, the least popular white and yellow. Maybe I might ask myself, like, why this is, what does this mean? Providing some context. And so this is where it can be kind of it's like, what do you think it means? In other words, what do the results mean for the population being studied, and what implications might they have? So, when interpreting the data, we might want to provide insight based on the data. So, I might look at the popularity of blue, and I might ask, well, why is blue? Why was blue popular? And could it be the fact that blue is commonly associated with calmness or nature, or do these frequencies or colors imply something more? So think about that as you're interpreting your data and see if it means anything to you. I mean, there's not really a right or wrong answer here yet. As we get further and further into this unit, we'll try to perfect our interpreting. But in your notes, in examples 1 through 3, in your notes under summarizing, analyzing, and interpreting your data, that's what you need to be answering. And when you finish summarizing 1 through 3 on your poster, summarize 1 through 3 on your poster using complete sentences. And this poster is for a grade. So you're just going to be going back through and kind of listing like your most popular, your least popular, trying to come up with some type of interpretation on why those may be the case, or why you may have you may have tied for first or something like that. And so this is where you can kind of talk with your partner and see if y'all can come up with the meaning behind your data. And that's all we have today.